Before starting, turn off the unit. Unscrew bolts, take out cover plate and remove main board. Connect pressure card. Cut transparent tubes in half and connect them to corresponding places. Put everything back and turn on the unit. To activate accessory, head to Service Settings, Universal Input, and enable pressure card. Go back to Service Settings menu. Go to Control Regulation. Then head to Fan Control and change airflow type to flow. Change airflow levels to suit your needs.